designer here at the Bead Floor Studio. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a design that I've been working on for the past several months. It is for these French beaded pink magnolias. This is part one of a series of videos that I will be sharing with you. The full video series consists of 12 videos and 11 lessons. For the full video lessons, you can find it at my website at beadfloor.com. In the videos that I'll be sharing with you, you will learn how to set up your workstation, on how to work with multiple colors. You will learn how to make a French beaded magnolia petal using multiple colors. You will learn the beaded French technique on how to make stamens and also the assembly of the flowers. So I hope you will find value in these lessons that I'll be sharing with you and apply them to the flowers that you are currently working on. So in today's video, I will show you several ways on how to set up your workstation, on how to work with multiple colors. For this pink magnolia pattern today, I'll be using 4 colors. This is a matte fuchsia, a matte pink, a rainbow pink, and clear. And as far as wire, you do have options. As far as wire colors, I do recommend for this project that you use 22 gauge wire only. If you use 24 gauge, your petals will be too floppy, so don't use 24 gauge or 26 or anything like that. 22 works the best. You can either use silver, you can use pink, or you can even use white. I don't have any 22 gauge white wire, but I think white will work really well because for a magnolia, the top here, the color fades to kind of white. I'm using clear here, and I used a rose pink colored wire, so there is a slight pink that shows through the wire. So using a different colored wire will give your flower just a different subtle color. My working setup is using my homemade bead spinner. You can find the video on how I made this in a separate video. So I have all these beads in these little plastic cups. They had helmets at one point. So what I do is I just put this in and it fits perfectly. And this here, if you saw my previous video on how to make the homemade bead spinner, I used a different container for the top. I found this magnetic tin at Target, and so we replaced the top. And the little hummus cups fit in here perfectly. And then as I work, I will put in the next color on top, and the next color, and so on. Spinner, I will show you a different setup. Alright my friends, if you don't have a homemade bead spinner, this is what your setup would look like with the different color beads on these separate bead spinners. These bead spinners are the Spin and Bead Juniors, so they are smaller. You can find them on Amazon or at beadalon.com. So you would work with one, and then you would go to the next to get a different color bead, the next, and the next. In this pink magnolia pattern, you will be using fuchsia and clear the most. So I have these in the bead spinners, and then the matte pink and the rainbow pink and the clear passive containers. So as you can see, you'll be using a lot more of the fuchsia, a small amount of the pink and the rainbow pink, and then the rest clear. Alright, now what can you do if you just have one bead spinner? So just basically dump your main color out and replace it with clear. It's nice to have more than just one bead spinner.